Did you know your body has a secret reset button that can stop panic in 30 seconds? When you're stressed, your heart races, breathing gets shallow, and muscles tense up. But here's what most people don't know. There's an ancient trick hiding in your nervous system. It's called the dive response. Here's how it works. Get some cold water and splash it on your face, especially around your eyes and temples. Or grab a cold pack and hold it to your face while taking slow, deep breaths. Your brain thinks you're diving underwater and immediately switches gears. Your heart rate drops. Your nervous system flips from panic mode to calm mode. It's like hitting a biological off switch for anxiety. Why does this work better than just breathing exercises? Cold water triggers a primal survival response that's stronger than conscious control. You can also try cold water on your wrists or neck. Keep a cold pack in your freezer as your emergency reset kit. Next time anxiety hits, remember, your body already knows how to calm down. You just need to speak its language.